Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. If you're using Snapchat and you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app. Now here just tap on your profile option in the top left and then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right. Just scroll down and look for delete account option. Here you'll find delete account, just tap on it. Now here you just have to wait for until it's loading. And then you have to enter your account password here. You will see your username. You have to enter your account password here, and after entering your account password, just tap on continue option and your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your Snapchat account permanently. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.